converting numbers in trillion from words form to digits. Converting numbers in trillions from word form to digits. When you come across numbers written in words and you are asked to convert them into digits, how do we do this? Let's take example. Convert the following numbers from word form to digit form. A. 7 trillion 630 billion 572 million 213,600 and 90. And then B, we have 25 trillion 200 billion and 600 million. Good. So the first task is to convert 7 trillion 630 billion 572 million 213,690 from this word form into digits form. Let's do that. Solution. A. First things you need to note is that when numbers are written in word form, they were first grouped in 3 groups according to their place value, from ones to thousands to millions to billions and then trillion, like in this case. So the first group we have from the left now is trillion. So we are having place value trillion, followed by billion, followed by, we then have what? Million, the thousands, and then the ones. So by noting this, you can successfully convert it into digits form. So let's do that. So in the trillion category, we have 7 trillion. And 7 is a single digit number. So we write that as 7. Good. The first one can always be written as a single digit. But after that, every other number that follow must come in 3 groups. So the next one we have the billion, which is, the number to write there is 630. 630, which will be written as 630. 630 billion, followed by 572 million, which is 572. Then after this, we have 213,000. 213. That is 213,000, and then it ends in 690. 690. That is 690. You see how we've done that? By picking the number, and then after the first, you begin to group in threes from 7 trillion to 630 billion, 572 billion, 213,690, giving us the digit forms as 7,630,572,213,690, which will be read, of course, as 7,630,572,213,690. Now that you get it, let's do the second together. B. This time we are dealing with 25 trillion, 200 billion, and then 600 million. You may wonder, why has it stopped at million? It doesn't mean that the other categories are left out. What just matters is that every digit in those other categories will be written as 0. So let's do it. We have 25 trillion. So we write that as 25. Followed by what? Yes, you got that right. Followed by 200 billion, which is written as 200. Good. And then after that, we then go to 600 million. Good. So we write it as 600 million. Now, how do you know how many zeros that goes next? You begin to follow the place value until you get to the ones. We already have trillion, billion, million. What is next? Yes, thousands. That will be 0, 0, 0. Then after thousands, we have what? The ones, which is the final category. We then write as 0, 0, 0. Beautiful. So this number here is 25 trillion, 200 billion, and 600 million. Now, by following these steps, I believe you too can convert numbers in trillions from word form to digit form. Thank you.